Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a new thing out here. While Apple's stock is plummeting massively and billions of dollars is being lost, we have an Apple iPhone 11 leak. How convenient. Yeah guys, these guys called On Leaks and Digit India are actually a good source of leaks, and most of their previous leaks in the past have come true. We can assume that this leak, the leaks that they will provide on Apple iPhone 11 may be true. So they provided a leak. This guys prepare for the ultimatum. Thing that we cannot change because we asked for a headphone jack to not be removed, but they removed it. Anything. And many other flagships are doing the same now. Samsung's the last one left. You won't believe this. You won't believe this. Yeah. Close your eyes right now. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You're not closing your eyes. I know you're not closing your eyes. I just said close your eyes, damn it. Now open them. This is the iPhone 11. Wow, it looks so good. Oh my god, this is the best iPhone yet. Better than iPhone 4G, you know? Better than iPhone 4. Oh my god, the bezels are not like the iPhone 4. The bezels are not like iPad Pro. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I would definitely buy this iPhone when it comes out, guys. Definitely. Most definitely. Oh my god, this is iPhone 11. This is just a render, guys. This is just a pre-render. This is just a concept, but it's concept based on a leak. I mean, this is reality, okay? This is the iPhone 11 that will come out. You like this, guys? Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted? Is this all you wanted in life? Look, I don't like this. It's just an opinion. It's just an opinion. It's not a fact. It's an opinion. I don't like this iPhone. It doesn't look good. You know what's the worst thing? They are copying literally Huawei. Huawei's Mate 20 Pro. Like, how innovative can Apple get? Have they run out of ideas again? Now, first of all, the triple cam. It's a triple camera setup. The sensors are in there, and you have the antenna right there, and you have a flash, which looks hideous anyway. The cameras are not at the corners of the square, and that is irritating. So this is just a pre-render, it's not in person. Nothing looks better unless you see it in person. That's obvious. Maybe this is just a distraction, a trick to get the community pumped up for the new pumped down for the new iPhone, and then bam, they come up with a better iPhone. Speculations, rumors, may not be true. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.